This is a short video clip of how to use the selection control icons in the Tableau maps. These controls are standard in most maps that appear in Tableau workbooks and are located in the upper left-hand corner of each map and will open when you hover over it with your mouse. There are 5 basic icons. The first one is the magnifying glass, and this is for doing map searches. The second is the plus sign, and this is for zooming into the map. The next one is the negative sign, and this is for zooming out of the map. After that is the push pin, and this is used to reset the map. The last one is the small right arrow, and that has 5 other icons associated with it. It's an icon for zoom area. The next one is for panning. Then there's rectangular selection. Then radial selection. And the last one is lasso selection. Let's take a closer look at each one of these now. The first icon is the magnifying glass. You can search by state, county, city, or zip. Let's type in New York, and it zooms into New York State. Let's type in Jackson County, Missouri, and it zooms into the area of Jackson County, Missouri. Now let's type in Chicago, and it zooms into Chicago, Illinois. Okay, one more. Let's try this. Type in zip code. Let's type in 32216. And it takes us to Jacksonville, Florida. Let's review the plus and minus icons now. To do this, let's type in Los Angeles County, California in the map search area. Now, using the plus icon, let's zoom into this area several levels. Okay, now let's use the negative icon to zoom out about 5 levels. The next icon is the push pin, which we have used several times already. Its purpose is simply to reset the entire map. Now we come to the right arrow icon. The first icon in this subset is designed to highlight an area and then zoom in on it. Let's zoom in on the northwest of Washington State. Or Dallas, Texas. The second icon in this subset is the pan icon and is used for grabbing and moving the map around. The next icon in this subset is the rectangular selection icon. This icon allows for rectangular selection of points or areas on a map. A primary purpose would be to use it as a filter for other graphs within the dashboard, as shown here. The second to the last icon is the radial icon. It performs the same function as the rectangular selection icon, except it starts at one point and grows out in a circular selection. As shown here. The last icon is the lasso. The lasso is the same as the rectangle and the radial, but allows more latitude in choosing the area of your selection, as seen here. That's a review of each of the icons. However, we'll close with a few shortcuts to speed up your working within the map. With the plus and minus keys, you can use your scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. Regarding the last 5 horizontal icons, there is a letter or hotkey associated with each icon. While moving around in the map, if you press any one of these letters, it switches to the function of that particular icon. If you want to select an area and zoom into it, press Z. If you want to pan, press F. If you want a rectangular selection, press A. Radial, S. Lasso, D. Learning to maneuver around in the map saves you time and lets you zero in on the important elements. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.